Hello, geometry. Here we are. We are talking about video F, part 1. And this is all about arc length. Loving it. Okay, let's just jump right into it. There are, on this worksheet, there are 24 problems, right? Okay, today I just want you to do 1 through 12. The directions change a little on the next set, okay? So this is just for problems 1 through 12, okay? Here's what you have to do today. Arc length is the part of a circle on the outside, and it has an equation. There we go. Okay, so every circle has a center, and then from that center you can draw a radius, okay? And so now let's say that this radius was 5, okay? I could figure out the circumference of the circle using an equation that we've already used in this class, okay? But that's not what we're going to do today. Today we just want to figure out a portion of the circumference of a circle, okay? Don't freak out. Here's what every problem is going to look like. The directions are going to say something like this. Find the arc length, leave answers, hello, in terms of pi. It's not always going to say that, but these do. Okay? Leave answers in terms of pi. So, if you'll notice on your worksheet, every one of the drawings has 2 radii. That's right, 2 radii. So let's say that this was right there was the other one, okay? I don't need to write another 5 there because, but it is, okay? They're both 5. In fact, I'm going to move this 5 over just a scotch. That's right, just a scotch, like that, because every drawing on your worksheet has an angle. So let's say that this was 120 degrees. Okay, that's this angle from here to here. Okay, the arc length that we're wanting, go ahead, erase. The arc length that we're wanting is this piece right here. Right? Right there. That's the piece of the circle that we're looking for. Arc length is just part of the circumference. Here's all you do, I promise. Okay, you take the angle and you divide it by 360 because a full circle is 360, but we're only looking for 120 degrees of that 360. Then you're going to multiply it by 2. Then you're going to multiply it by pi. Then you're going to multiply it by r. Okay? So this guy's going to be 120 over 360 times 2 times pi times 5. Okay? So that's going to be a big number. All right? Here we go. So that's 10. So that means this is 1200 pi over 360. And now all I do in my calculator is just take, is just take 1200 divided by 360. So, trusty handy dandy calculator. 1200 divided by 360 is 3.3. So then this answer is 3.3 pi. Okay? So all I did was I just took these 2 numbers right here and divided them, right? 1200 divided by 360. The 1200 goes in your calculator first. And then this pi is just along for the ride. All right? So tomorrow we're going to do something a little different so that you'll actually get a better grasp of actually how long that piece is. But for today, it's just leave it in terms of pi. All right, so I know that's only one example. Let's do one more. That way y'all can see everything. So if you need to pause the video right now, if you're taking notes, you can pause the video. Otherwise, I'm moving on. Okay, so let's try another one. Here we go. Here's another circle. This time I'm going to pick an acute angle. So let's pick a little angle like that. Okay. Let's say that the radius is 7 and the angle is 30. Okay. 30. Better. Okay, so this guy's 30. All right, so here's all you would do. You do 30 over 360, then multiply by 2, then multiply by pi, then multiply by 7. Okay? So now all I'm going to do is do 30 times 2 times 7. Handy dandy calculator. 30 times 2 times 7 is 420 over 360 pi. Okay? So did you get that? I took 30 times 2 times 7. 30 times 2 times 7 is 420. So that's how I got this number. And then the 360 is always just 360. And now in my handy dandy calculator, I'm going to take 420 divided by 360 and get, after I round, I'm going to get 1.2 pi. Okay? All I did was take 420 divided by 360, and that's how I got 1.2. And this pi is just along for the ride. All right? So questions 1 through 12 just say, leave it in terms of pi. There you are. So stop at number 12 today, and then I'd say just round to the 10th. That's fine. Okay. I say to you, good day.